The LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A01 from Metro by T-Mobile. So the Galaxy A01 is not here. So the Galaxy A01 is a working smartphone, so we keep it in mind. So quick specs on the phone, you have a 5.7 infinity V display. Their cameras in the rear at 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel depth. And a 3000 mAh battery, right? Like I said, this is a budget smartphone, and it's available now at Metro for $159.99, right? So, price is a bit too high, in my opinion. So, there you have it. Also, you have a taking up large front-facing camera there, something like that. Your earpiece, you have a power button on the right side of the phone, button keys on the left. Let's take this one for a spin. So, alright, so on the left side, like I said, button keys. That's pretty much it there. On the left. Spin on the back. You guys want dual cameras, like I said, 13 megapixel and a 2 megapixel back camera. Camera for Samsung Galaxy. So, pretty cool. Spin on to the right. You'll have micro SD card and some card slot on the right side of the phone as well, and your power button right there. So basically it says like that, right? So as I said, the Samsung Galaxy A01 capture crisp, clear photos and shareable moments with a powerful dual-lens camera. Watch content with cinematic clarity on our vibrant edge-to-edge screen with expansive view. Plus a long-lasting battery. Stays charged throughout the day, so you can keep snapping, sharing, and scrolling, right? So you do have a 3000 mAh battery. Dual cameras on the rear at 13 megapixel and a 2 megapixel depth camera, 5.7" infinity V display. Expansive storage up to 512 gigabytes. So that's nice. You can get the Galaxy A01 for free if you switch to Metro. So it's not bad for a free phone, not bad. But for $160, you do have better options out there. So you do have versatile camera. Dual lenses make it easy to shoot photos in clear detail. 5.7" infinity V display. Color and details are bright, bold, and clear on this HD plus screen, so that is a 720p display, right? Long lasting battery, more time to power through your day, and less time to recharge. So you do have a 3000 mAh battery. You can count on fast charging. So powerful, you can spend more time scrolling, texting, and sharing, and less time looking for an outlet to recharge. So it's nice. Snap and share photos with ease, whether you are hanging out with old friends or exploring a new city. The camera's 2 lenses enable you to capture it all in clear detail, right? So that's nice. Your favorite content in bold color. You have plenty of room to scroll through your feeds, see the latest news, and keep up with your friends and family on this Infinity Edge HD Plus screen. Right? So specs and like I said, they're not that great. This is the budget one, so you do get what you pay for here. But for $160, you do have better options. So the biggest downfall for this one is its internal storage at 16 gigabytes. So you will have 9.5 gigabytes available to use, and it has 2 gigabytes of RAM. 5.7" infinity V display. Dual cameras with 13 megapixel main and a 2 megapixel depth sensor on the rear. Right? 2 terabyte of micro SD. It says 2 terabyte right there, but it says 512 on the top there for micro SD expansion. So I think it's 512 gigabytes. So you will need to use a micro SD card. Right? You do have mobile hotspot on the runs of talk time and the 10 with one UI, of course, so that's nice. 1.4 GHz octa-core processor, and the Galaxy A01 weighs 5.29 ounces. And you do have some accessories here like frame cases and stuff like that. If you guys want to get accessories for the Galaxy A01, go to Amazon and type in Samsung Galaxy A01 to get your accessories from Amazon, alright? So, there you guys have it. So if you guys are looking for a backup phone, a first one for your kid, this one is worthwhile. Take a look at it. I would not use this one for an everyday phone because the specs on it are not great. Like I said, this is a budget smartphone, so you do have to keep that in mind. The price that Metro is asking for, the price that Metro is asking for at $159 is not worth it. Maybe if this one was like 60 or something bucks, maybe it'd be worth it then. But for 160, you do have better options out there for 160 bucks. This is not the phone to get at 160. If you paid 160 for the phone, if you pay 160 for this phone, you are an idiot. I'm just saying, you're an idiot if you pay 160 bucks for this phone. You're an idiot. There are some good things about this one, like it has Android 10. It has 4G LTE, of course. Fast charging, dual camera in the rear. Then that's pretty much it. There's a lot of like I said, this is a better phone, but the biggest downfall about this one is its internal storage at 16 gigs. So you will need to use a micro SD card, alright? So use that. And like I said, if you guys are looking for a backup phone, this one's not bad for a backup phone, but for an everyday phone, no thank you. So yeah, do you guys have a Samsung Galaxy A01? Now available at Metro by T-Mobile. It's available now for $159.99, which I don't know why Metro is charging that for this phone. It's not worth it at that price. Maybe 60 or something bucks, maybe, but 160, fuck no. So there you guys have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. Everyone else, man, peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.